Is it that the perception and the reality is that it takes too long to get anything done? Is it that they have lack of visibility into what's going on? Do we have high levels of work and process with lots of context switching and just, again, all of the detriments that come from that?
Hi, this is your PM Cowboy coming back to you in 2026. I was just talking to my film crew about the crazy ideas of guests that I have set up for it, and I'm really excited about all the guests, and I'm particularly excited to kick off the year with Joshua Barnes. Joshua, welcome. Joshua Barnes will be covering the topic of Disciplined Agile. Don't worry, I'll shut up here in just a second. He has lots to say about Disciplined Agile. I want to pick up why the motivation to invite Joshua. We had the real privilege of having Mark and Scott, the two original founders of Disciplined Agile, on the podcast last year. The intent was to convey to all of you out there who feel that Agile has maybe fallen a little bit flat and maybe isn't adaptive enough, isn't agile enough for what you need in your organizations, that you should be looking at Disciplined Agile as a solution for this. Don't take my word for it. I'm gonna put these questions to Joshua and let him pitch it to you. But once again, I think the term that I used is I'm treating my guests as the executive Muppets who are sitting in the peanut gallery who are going to ask the difficult questions. And Joshua is the guy. He's directly at the source. He's the guy to tell you everything that you need to know about Disciplined Agile and maybe get you interested so that you can set yourself up for success in 2026. Okay? Good. So welcome, Joshua.
Great to be here, Mark.